Good morning, my dear student. Today I am going to start circle. The topic is circle. See, this is a very important chapter. And if we talk about circle, then first we have to know about locus. What do you mean by locus? Locus means positioning of point. Let's see. Point O is here. This is the fixed point, and if I say you to plot a point 2 centimeter apart from the given point, so this point can be said uh, another point, and that is distance. The distance between OA is 2 centimeter. Similarly, OD can also be a point and equal to 2 centimeter. OF can also be a point and equal to 2 centimeter. OE can also be a point. So, all the moving point, all the equidistant moving points, okay, will form a circle. So, you can define circle as locus of equidistant, locus of equidistant moving points, equidistant points from a fixed point. A fixed point, a fixed point is called circle. See, usually we will see this word in class 10th. In ICSE board, a chapter named Loci, LOCI. This is the plural word of locus. In another word, you can also say the definition of circle as figure obtained by line joining, figure obtained by line joining a set of equidistant points from a fixed point is called circle. See, the fixed point is termed as center. This is termed as center of the circle, and the fixed distance, the constant distance, is called radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Clear? Center is the fixed point and radius is the fixed distance. So, OA can be said radius and O is a center of the given circle. See, now in a plane, if you draw a circle, then how many parts this circle divides the plane? This circle divides the plane into how many parts? There will be three parts. Number one is interior of the circle. The second is exterior, and the third part is on the circle. Is on the circle. So a circle divides the plane in three parts on the circle. Now, moving forward, see, if I ask, give an example of a circle, then how many examples you can give that is very similar to circle, or you can have that figure can be compared to a circle. So, wheel of the cycle, you can say that is a circle, cycle wheel, or steering of the car can also be said wheel, okay, or circle. Circle is a two-dimension figure. Circle is a two-dimension figure, and we have done it. We have studied about circle. We have known a value, constant value, that is pi. Do you remember what is pi? You all have learnt pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is the value what you have used to find the area of the circle, to find circumference of the circle. So the definition of pi is it is the ratio of circumference of the circle divided by diameter. Do you know the term diameter? Diameter means it is 2 times radius. 2 times radius of the circle. Circumference means length of boundary of the circle. You can say perimeter of the circle can also be said circumference. Perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle can also be said circumference. Clear? See, now we have to see the circle. O is the center. OA is one radius. OB is another radius. Then these two radii. The plural word of radius is radii. Okay. All the radii will be equal because of constant distance from the center to the circle. And if you draw a line that will pass through the center of the circle and whose end point on the circle, that is called diameter. So PQ is the diameter, PQ is the diameter, and this will be equal to 2 times radius of the circle. Okay, or you can say diameter is the chord. What do you mean by chord? See, what are chord? So chord is a line segment. Chord is a line segment which has two end points on the circle. A line segment like this, PQ, is a line segment and it has two end point on the circle. See, AB is also line segment, and if it has two end point on the circle, MN is also having two end point on the circle. So AB, PQ and MN all are chords. And do you guess which chord is the longest? MN is the longest chord because it is the diameter. So you can say diameter is the longest chord. Clear? Good. So diameter is the longest chord and its length is 2 times radius of the circle. So see, radius of the circle is the constant distance from center to the circumference. Center is the fixed point and locus of equidistant points from the fixed point is circle. Good day, all the best, take care, bye bye.